this channel, and then we have this question. Find this integral of this fraction. Okay, so if you check this question, the first thing we can do a kind of little algebra here, and that will be integral of this. We want to make what we have here, the power here and the power here, to be the same thing, and that will be cos cube this, and then times what? Times 1 over what? 1 over cos square x dx. We have not altered the question. We just try to make sure that the power here is the same thing. That's just a little algebra. Then the next thing to do now, and that will be integral of sine over cos. That's a tan cube. The function 1 over cos is sec, and that will be sec squared, and the function dx. So there's no direct table for this. No direct table for this. So what do we do in this case? It's very simple. We're going to substitute for the base of any of the function. But if you check it very well, when you are doing your U-substitution, your integration by substitution, you have to check. If I pick U as my tan x, does the derivative equal to this? If it's that, then go for that. Okay? Actually, you can also go for this one, but this is more better. So let's U be equal to what? Tan x. And then the U is equal to what? If you differentiate at tan, it will give you sec squared the function dx. So you can see now, so sec square x now, the x now is what? Is the U. So we can now transform the function. The function is x now. We can make it now U. And that will be integral of what? That will be, this one is U. That will be U to the power 3. And then this one is what? U. And if you differentiate this one, it's going to be U 3 plus 1, that's 4 over 4 plus 1 plus C. That's our answer. Then the next thing to do now is to return the U. My U is what? My U is time, then power 4. The function power 4 plus 1 plus C. So that's that on these question. The next question we have is this. We have the integral of this function. And if you look at the question, okay, what we do here is to do the algebra. And that will be equal to what? Yeah, this one over this dx plus integral of this one, integral of this one over sec x dx. This over this plus this over this. So that's algebra, and that's what we have done now. We have done there. Then the next thing to do now, you have to know that sec x is 1 over what? 1 over cos x, cos square x dx. This over this will give you this. Then plus here also integral of this one, and then this is 1 over cos, and then you are reciprocating it. There is 1 here over this. That's what cos x dx. So that's what we have for this case. Okay. So there's no direct table for this. Okay. We're going to start from here. There's no direct table for this, so we're going to use identity, and then the identity will be cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So I'm going to make this one the subject, and that will be equal to what? Can you move this minus 1 to the other side? That will be 1 plus cos 2x, then equal to what? Cos square x over 2. So we have made this one the subject. So this one is equal to integral of this 2 here can come outside, 1 over 2, and then 1 plus what? Cos 2x dx. And that will be equal to what? 1 over 2 into brackets. Integral of this, respect to this function, we have this. Then plus integral of cos is a sine of that function. And don't forget the basic formula for integration. There is a 2 that attached to this function. So over what? Over 2. So that's that for these parts. Okay. So let's note that. That's not the final answer. Let's work this one out. The integral of sine cube x cos x. Okay. What we do in this case, there is no direct table. Integration by substitution. The U-substitution. If we pick, you have to check. Actually, you can use any one of them. The choice is yours. Okay. If you pick this one, you pick your U as sin x. Derivative of this, the U, is going to be what? It's going to be equal to this. And that's what? Cos x. The what? The x. So this one will now become U to power 3, and then cos x, the x is what? Is the U. Okay? So if you integrate this one, you're going to have your power here is 3 plus 1, that's power 4 over 4. So that's that on this case. Can we combine the two together? I mean this one and this one together. The first one we have what? We have and then plus what? You can return this one back. Your U is what? return the u. The u is that sine x. That will be sine to the power 4 of the function over 4 plus what? Plus c. And that finished that question on this question. Please, if you are new on this channel, what are you waiting for? There's a watermark on this video. Click on it and subscribe. Begin to type your comments and finally share the links of this video on all your platforms. Okay, thank you for doing that. Questions still continue and we are still on what? Integration by substitution. Join the next question.